Hey Conquerors, welcome back to my channel. Just want to do a quick disclaimer. So I would call prior to you going to the Dali Museum just because they only sell a certain amount of tickets. Also, they do a thermal scanning prior to you getting into the facility. And they do have an employee stationed at every corner just to make sure that you're going in the right direction. I really enjoy these controlled environments because it just puts everyone at ease. So I hope you enjoy the video and please subscribe. Hey guys, so we made it to the Salvador Museum. Mina, look. Yeah. Say hi.
Hello.
So we made it and we're here. And I'm so excited to get inside and see what it's about. Oh, so close. Oh, let me down. So we're at the entrance here, the Salvador Museum. Oh,
Mommy, let's check out this.
this is so cool.
Let's check out this one.
No, this is the shop. Let's go. Let's just.
That one.
This is a bouquet. This one is called A Portrait of My Sister.
Oh.
Tilka has two women, so it kind of like she shows one side to him and then another. See the bottom picture? Looks like I don't know who it looks like. Like an older woman. This was Fen Kochi. Why do you like that one? This is called A Basket of Bread.
Which is like a dead
Oh.
brother?
Mm-hmm. Narcissus. We're in the gardens. So that pretty much sums up our trip here in St. Petersburg visiting the Salvador Dali Museum. If you liked what you see or if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. We always reply back. If you'd like to see us visit another museum or science center, please let us know because those are our favorite. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, so please help us get to our goal. Please like, subscribe, because that helps us get keep this content going. All right, guys, so I'll talk to you later. I'm out. I conquer.